This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to find your KuCoin deposit address. First, log in to your KuCoin account. Once logged in, navigate to the Assets section, usually found in the top menu. From there, select the Deposit option. This will take you to the page where you can begin the process of finding your specific cryptocurrency deposit address. Next, you'll need to choose the cryptocurrency you intend to deposit. Use the search bar to quickly locate your desired coin, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. It's crucial to select the exact cryptocurrency to prevent any transfer issues. Double-check your selection before moving forward to ensure a smooth transaction. After selecting your cryptocurrency, you must choose the correct deposit network. For example, for UST, you might see options like ERC20 or TRC20. Ensure the network matches the one from your sending wallet to avoid losing funds. Once selected, KuCoin will generate your unique deposit address for that specific coin and network. Finally, carefully copy the generated deposit address. This address is unique to your account and the chosen cryptocurrency and network. Paste this address into the send or withdrawal field of your external wallet or exchange. Always perform a thorough double-check of the address, perhaps comparing the first and last few characters before confirming your transaction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.